DJ Dragon Kick. We're in Brussels, Belgium, which is the capital of Brussels. Now, when you go to Brussels, you can get a magic box. It's like their McDonald's Happy Meal. But inside, for the toy, is a beta booster pack. Made in Belgium, 1993. I mean, I was amazed. So, cameraman, can you show a little bit of the town center? You can see these buildings built in 1690s, 1697, and you have the cathedral that is way older, 1698. Everything's laid with gold, and it's a perfect spot to open up a beta booster pack. So let's open it. Now, I'm hoping to get something good out of here. No idea what it is, but we're gonna break in here. For all you folks out there, the serial number is 10341009 from the GAI. So it's graded 9. It's a little history about it. So these are made in 1993, and just for the fun fact, of course I didn't get out of a Happy Meal pack. I brought this from the US. I've had it in my collection for quite a while. I've wanted to open it for about 8 years now. I did not pay anywhere near what the value is. Now, just for a value proposition, this is worth somewhere around $4,000 to $5,000. In the graded condition, probably around 4,500 bucks. There are a variety, for you that don't know Magic, there's a variety of rares in here, 121. You can get some cards that are worth only $15, it's like a lottery. And you have some cards that are worth up to about $30,000. The majority, about 75 or 80% of them, are worth about $100 to $200 and no more. So I didn't pay that much for it back years ago, but the price has appreciated since. Hoping to get something good, of course, one of the top 25% cards. A power card would be wonderful, but highly unlikely. Mostly thinking maybe a Bad Moon or a Clockwork Beast, something that I don't really want, but it could, and most likely is in there. What else to say about it? For $4,000, you could get a Honda, an old Honda from, 2011, 2012. Today its date is...
How many Happy Meals?
A lot of Happy Meals. Magic Meals, Magic Boxes, they're about $4 a piece. You could get 1,000 Magic Boxes. But we're gonna gamble today. And it's very stupid, but this is something I've wanted to do for a while. I've never opened up a beta booster. And this is a part of history, being here in Belgium, once in a lifetime opportunity. These are made from Cartamundi, which is from Turnhout, which is about, I believe, 50 miles away or something to that effect. This is what it looks like, and we're just gonna go into ripping this. I brought my, oh man. So a lot of people talk about getting the shakes when they open these very expensive packs, and I understand now. I thought I would have a steady hand. Got sleeves on the side. Actually, no one ever taught me how to open one of these packs. Yeah, let's go from the side. Okay. Very careful not to. Okay, perfect. We'll go through the top. Yeah. So just by doing this alone, the price has just dropped about $1,500. Just to put that into effect. Okay, my gosh. I'm gonna butcher this on camera. Awesome.
We can always edit it.
Yeah, well, they have to see that it's from pack to...
We can just cut out the sound then, how about that?
Inauthentic. Okay, there you go. Boom. Okay, you have 15 cards in here. Only one of them is a rare. And the others are... I'm gonna gently get this out. It's pristine condition. Only one of them is a rare. There are 3 uncommons. They could be common basic lands. Okay, and we are good. Holy crap, I got the shakes.
Okay, I'm gonna pause it.
I wouldn't pause it.
Okay.
Don't pause it. No.
Okay, sorry.
Okay. I'll tilt it a little more down. Or no. Okay, here we go.
I can't see it. But I don't like
This is very super clean. So one thing about these, you can tell if there's no ripples, like Ruffles potato chips, that it might have been resealed, but this is pretty clearly not the case. So here we go, without further ado. Okay. And right off the bat, we have a Stream of Life, the common, the rares in the back. Holy smoly! I don't have any of these. Wow, it's beautiful. These are so vibrant. You have an island. Nice. They're a little off-center. Ah, they're just so pristine to have these. You have a Guardian Angel. The Forest from Christopher Rush, who created the Black Lotus. He passed away a year ago or two. Invisibility. Antimedics. A Mountain, which is my favorite card. Mountain. I was a red player. Plains. Another Mountain. Okay. Okay. A Circle of Protection red. Okay. A Swamp.
Swamp.
Swamp. Okay, and I think this is our first uncommon. Glasses of Urza. That's super iconic. You may look at your opponent's hands. Wonderful. A Fire Elemental. Beautiful lady. Ooh, a Consecrate Lands. I'm already happy, and I'm going to tell you why I'm happy. I didn't get an uncommon land. Just a basic land with the uncommon, so that's a big thing. But here's the reveal. Taiga. Wow. Okay, this is a dual land. It's in the ballpark of $4,000 or $5,000. It is both a mountain and a forest, and it's pretty beautiful. It's gonna get a high grade, obviously, because it's fresh. And wow, a dual land in Belgium. I'm super stoked about this. Taiga. I'm super stoked about this. This is wonderful. There's so much crap that you can get out of those packs, but this is a good card. This is a good card. And yeah, thanks for watching. And
congratulations, man.
thank you. Yeah, thank you.